My wonderful family. Hello, my dear friends. Hello and welcome. My name is Sarah. It is so good to be with you today. Today, we have a very special topic. It is a topic that is close to my heart. We are going to talk about my family. I will speak slowly. I will speak very clearly. Please do not worry if you do not understand everything. It is okay. Just listen, relax, and if you can, try to repeat some words with me. Are you ready? Wonderful. So, let's begin our journey together into my family. First, I want to tell you about my parents. I have a father and a mother. They are wonderful people. Let's start with my father. His name is David. My father is a doctor. He works in a big hospital in the city. The hospital is very clean and white. He helps people who are sick. He works very hard, but he loves his job. He says helping people makes him happy. My father is tall. He is quite tall. He has short, black hair. His hair has a little bit of gray, just a little near his ears. I think it looks very nice. His eyes are a warm, dark brown, like coffee. When he smiles, his eyes smile too. He has a very kind and gentle smile. His voice is deep and calm. When he speaks, you feel safe. You feel calm. Every morning, he wakes up very early. He drinks a cup of black coffee. He likes his coffee with no sugar. He sits in the kitchen and reads the news on his tablet. The kitchen is quiet in the morning. Sometimes I can hear the small click, click, click of his spoon on the coffee cup. After his coffee, he puts on his work clothes. He wears a blue shirt and dark pants. And at the hospital, he wears a long white coat. The coat is always very clean. He has a special tool. It is called a stethoscope. He uses it to listen to people's hearts. It
Great
is
work
very
today.
interesting.
Keep going. Every
When
lesson
he
helps
comes
you
home
improve your
in the
English.
evening,
I'm excited
he
to see
is
you in the next
often
video.
tired.
Don't forget
But
to
he
like,
always
share, and
has a
subscribe
smile
for more
for
fun
me
lessons.
and my sister.
Keep learning and see
He
you again
asks,
soon.
"How was your day, Sarah?" His question is always full of love. He is a very kind, very patient man. I love my father very much. Now, let me tell you about my mother. Her name is Susan. My mother is a teacher. She is an English teacher, just like me. She teaches young children. The children are 5 and 6 years old. She works at a small school near our house. The school is very colorful. There are many drawings on the walls. My mother is not tall like my father. She is shorter. She has beautiful, long, brown hair. Her hair is very soft. She often ties it back in a ponytail. Her eyes are green. They are a very pretty, light green, like new leaves on a tree in the spring. She has a very warm and happy face. She is always smiling or laughing. Her laugh is like music. It is a happy sound in our house. My mother does not work at a hospital. She works in a classroom. Her classroom is full of books, games, and colorful posters. She loves her students very much. She teaches them the alphabet, A, B, C. She reads stories to them every day. Her voice is very soft and sweet when she reads stories. My mother has a special hobby. She loves gardening. We have a small garden behind our house. It is her favorite place. In the garden, there are many, many flowers. There are red flowers, yellow flowers, and pink flowers. My mother knows the name of every flower. She spends a lot of time in the garden, especially on weekends. She wears big, green gloves to protect her hands. She touches the soil, the leaves, and the flowers with so much care. The garden always smells wonderful. It smells fresh and sweet. It smells like earth and flowers. My mother is a very caring and lovely woman. I love my mother very much.
So I have a father, David, and I have a mother, Susan. I also have a sister. I am very lucky. Not everyone has a sister. Her name is Emily. Emily is my younger sister. I am 25 years old, and Emily is 21 years old. She is a student. She goes to a big university in the city. She studies art. She is very creative. She loves to draw and paint. Emily looks a little like my mother. She has the same long brown hair, but her eyes are brown, like my father's eyes. She wears glasses. Her glasses are big and round. I think she looks very smart and very cute in her glasses. She is shorter than me. She always says, "Sarah, you are so tall." Emily is very funny. She loves to tell jokes. Sometimes her jokes are very silly, but they always make me laugh. She brings a lot of fun and energy into our house. Our house is never quiet when Emily is home. She is often singing or talking about something new and exciting. Her room is a very interesting place. It is a little messy, but it is a happy mess. There are books and papers everywhere. There are pencils, pens, and paintbrushes in many jars on her desk. The walls of her room are covered with her drawings. She draws people, animals, and beautiful places. Her pictures are full of color. There is a big window in her room. The sunlight comes in and makes her room very bright and cheerful. Emily and I are not just sisters. We are also best friends. We share everything. We talk about our day, our friends, our dreams. We love to do things together. Our favorite thing to do together is listen to music. In the evening, after dinner, we sometimes go to my room. My room is quiet. We sit on my bed. I have a small speaker. We play our favorite songs. We don't talk much. We just listen to the music together. The music is soft and beautiful. It is a very peaceful, very happy time for us. Having a sister like Emily is a wonderful gift. I am so happy she is my sister. My family is very close. We love spending time together. One very important time for us is dinner time. Every evening, we have dinner together. It starts at around 6 o'clock in the evening. My mother and I usually cook dinner. We go to the kitchen. Our kitchen is big and warm. It has yellow walls. My mother puts on an apron. An apron is like a special piece of clothing to keep your regular clothes clean. Her apron has pictures of lemons on it. It is very cute. We decide what to make. Maybe tonight we make soup. I love my mother's chicken soup. First, I wash the vegetables. I wash the carrots, the potatoes, and the celery. The water is cool on my hands. Then my mother cuts the vegetables. She is very fast. I can hear the sound of the knife on the cutting board. It makes a rhythmic sound. Chop, chop, chop. The sound is very familiar. It is the sound of home. We put everything in a big pot on the stove. Soon, the kitchen starts to smell amazing. It smells like chicken and vegetables and warm herbs. The smell fills the whole house. It is a warm, delicious, and happy smell. While we cook, my sister, Emily, sets the table. She puts 4 plates on our big, round, wooden table. Our plates are white, with a little blue flower on the side. She puts out the forks, the spoons, and the knives. She also puts out glasses for water. Everything is neat and tidy. When dinner is ready, my father comes home. We all sit down together at the table. The soup is hot. Steam rises from our bowls. It looks so good. We talk while we eat. This is my favorite part. We share our day. My father talks about the hospital. My mother talks about her little students. Emily talks about her art class at the university. And I talk about my day. We listen to each other. We laugh together. The world outside is busy and noisy, but at our dinner table, it is peaceful and happy. We are together. This time is very, very important for our family. It connects us. After dinner, we all help to clean. It is our rule. My father carries the plates to the kitchen. I wash the dishes. Emily dries them. My mother puts everything away. We work together. It is fast and easy when we do it together. This is my family. We are a team.
My family is my home. It is my safe place. They are the people who love me the most. They support me. When I am sad, they make me feel better. When I am happy, they are happy with me. This feeling is the most important thing in the world. I have so many happy memories with my family.
Great work today. Keep going. Every lesson helps you improve your English. I'm excited to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep learning and see you again soon.